Hey Clegg Cougars, welcome to my kitchen. It's Mrs. Stradal here and you've caught me on cooking dinner. I'm here to welcome you to week 2 of the summer Clegg Cougar fun. It's cooking, and everybody likes cooking, right? Because everybody likes eating. I'm excited for you to get to scroll down today and look through the fun activities that Miss Foster's put together for you. Things like coming up with a new shape for donuts and drawing pictures of your dream refrigerator and all the contents that may go inside of it. Eating and cooking is fun. It helps bring people together. It incorporates creativity and mathematics, even when you don't realize it, which is the best kind of mathematics. And I know that there will be something fun for you to take part in today or this week on the Clegg Cougar Fun for summer fun. Enjoy!